Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if any Epson EcoTank printer is printing lines, stripes, streaks or shows you any other examples of bad printing quality. Let's get into it. The most common way that helps you to solve any printing issues in 90% of cases is clean the print head. If your printer is connected to Epson Smart Panel application in your smartphone, just select your printer, tap on its image and tap on head cleaning. Now tap on yes and read this message. If you continue to have print quality problems after performing head cleaning, follow the instructions in the manual, but I will show you everything, so do not open the manual, just watch this video to the end. So far you just need to wait for the printer to stop making any sounds and the power indicator turns back solid. It takes up to 2 minutes to clean the print head, and after it's finished, go back to the application and print the nozzle check page. Just tap on that, confirm your action and wait for the page from the printer. Now take a look at these patterns, and if they look like this, you don't have any printing problems anymore, but if you're missing some colors or some pattern looks like the right one on the screen, try to clean the print heads one more time, and actually you can try to do it several times, but anyway it might take up to 12 hours for print quality to get back to normal. Always make sure that your supply level is enough, because there is no point in cleaning the print head if you're almost out of ink. And also you pretty much want to make sure that you're using the latest firmware version. To check this in the application, in the printer settings, tap on firmware update and it's checking the information. If you have updates, please update your firmware. If you still have the print quality problems, try to perform the power cleaning. To do this on Windows computers, open your system tray over here and select your printer. Just hover on the printer and check for its name, its model. Next, right or left click on this icon and click on printer settings. Next, switch to maintenance. From here you also can update your software. You can clean print head, but what you need now is power cleaning. So click on its icon. Please wait for a while. And next, in this window, now confirm there is enough ink in tanks, and interval of 12 hours is required between each power cleaning. So confirm this and click next. Click start to begin power cleaning. You cannot stop power cleaning once it has started. But before clicking the start button, heads up on this warning. This function affects the service life of the waste ink pads. So I don't recommend you to use this feature too often, because maybe your waste ink pads just out of their service life and you need to replace them or replace the print head. So my printer is fine. Let me do not click the start button. The process is the same like for normal print head cleaning. Just wait until the printer stops making any sounds and the power indicator starts glowing solid, and then try to print head nozzle check page once again. And if you still have printing issues, try to repeat this action in 12 hours. And this is how you can get to these settings on Mac computer. So you can pause this video, complete these steps and perform the power cleaning from this menu. Another feature that helps you to fix the print quality issues is print head alignment. So click on this icon in the same maintenance menu. Please wait. And you can read what is this feature for and click next. Now the vertical alignment sheet will be printed. So click on print over here and wait for the page from the printer. Now take a look at this page, and in each square set, notice the square without any visible vertical bands. If each square in the set has vertical bands, notice the one with the thinnest bands and notice it. Now, if every square contains a band, enter its number in this field, in each of these fields for each set, and click on realignment. If you have squares without any visible bands, so enter their numbers here and click next. Now a black horizontal alignment sheet will be printed, so click on print and once again wait for the page from the printer. And on this page you need to notice rectangles that are separated or overlap. I don't know if you see it, but I see that these rectangles are overlapped, these two, and these two. These two are a little bit separated. I see a thin white stripe between them, and 5 and 6 to me are perfect. So enter either 5 or 6 over here, or another perfect shape if you have it under another number, and click finish. Or if all shapes are separated or overlapped, click realignment and the printer will print the alignment page until you have this perfect result each time. So let me click on finish, and that's pretty it. One more thing I want to tell you at the end of this video, somebody might recommend you to buy a print head cleaning kit somewhere on Amazon and try to clean the print heads by yourself. But I strongly not recommend you to do this with the tank printers, because it's not such an easy thing to take a tank printer apart and put it back together properly just to clean the print heads. So if nothing helps, the best option is to take the printer to the service center or to a third-party specialist. And actually that's it for today, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel. Any questions, comment below. Leave a like under this video to support us, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye.